Open the software Arduino IDE 2.0, then go to Preferences, go to Additional Board Manager URLs, then copy this link. I provide this link in the description below of this video. Then select OK. Then go to Tools, Board Manager, and search at Mega 328P. This is, I already installed it. Then go to Tools again and Port, and this is the port that the Arduino is connected. Then go to this docs or this file online. I provide this link in the description below. Copy this and then paste it and verify. After it is verified or done compiling, let's upload it. And it is uploaded. Now, let's change the distance. Let's change it to 10 centimeter. Then verify. Now, upload it. After it upload, test it again. Then, that it is. Then, change it again to 15. Let's try 15. Then, upload. And it is done uploading. And let's test it again.